Hello kids, welcome to the Number Cult. Today I am going to teach you percentage and it is a new topic for you. So let us understand what is percentage and what is the relationship between fraction, decimal and percentage. Let's begin. So percentage and relationship between fractions, decimal and percentage. First let us understand what is percentage. What is percent? What do you mean by cent? Cent, most of us, everyone knows, cent means 100. Percent, so per 100. So every 100 or out of 100. So percent means per 100 or every 100. So what is every 100? Let us understand with this square grid of 100. So this grid I have drawn 100 squares, you can see. And in this there are 100 squares. Yes, 100 squares, this grid. Now in this square, when there are 100 grids, I have to take 20% out of from this grid, 20%. So what is 20%? That means percent, we understood, percent, that means every 100. So this grid is of 100 squares, right? So this is a grid of 100. So we can say this grid is grid of 100. So from this grid I have to take 20. So I can make it 20%. So what should I do now? Now let us shed 20 squares. So here 1, 2, 3. So I am shading, this is 10 squares and then 10 more squares. Yes, you can see 20 squares I have shaded. So how do I write? What do I write? I can write 20 out of 100 I have shaded. So you can see now I have written this fraction percentage as a fraction. So 20 out of 100. Now next one I have 45%. I think now you can tell me 45 squares I have to shade, right? So 45. I have already 20. Now 10 more. So 30, then 10 more, so 40 and 5 more. Yes, so now 45. I have shaded 45 squares in the grid of 100. So 45 out of 100. So from percent to fraction, I wrote 45 out of 100. Now 68%. Similarly 68. Now this is 50. Now here if this strips of 10 if I shade, it will be 60 and then now 68. So 8 more squares I have to shade. 8. So carefully shade till 8. 68 squares I have shaded in the 100 grid. Okay. So 68 out of 100. So 68% is 68 by 100 or 68 out of 100. So we have to write this is your fractional form. Now 90%. Most of us always, we are very much excited when we say 90%. Oh, he scores 90%. She scored 90%. So 90 is very familiar number to us, right? So 90%. So 90, when I say now I have here done 68. Now it becomes 70 and then 10 more squares. It becomes 80 and now 10 more squares. Now it becomes 90. See, 90% I have covered. That means 90 squares I have shaded out of 100 squares. In the grid of 100, I have shaded 90 squares. So how do I write? Yes, 90 by 100. So now you know how to write percentage to fraction, and you understood what is the meaning of percent. Percent, per 100 or every 100 or out of 100, whatever number we take, so that is percentage. Okay. Now here you can see I have taken a table. In this table I have written percent, fraction and decimal. So this percent, these numbers. So I have taken 28%. Now you know very well. Now you tell me what should I write it as a fraction? Yes, you are right. as I've written 20%, in the similar way, we can write 28%, that is 28 by 100, 28%. Then how do I write into decimal? Now decimal, you know, it is the number when it is divided by 100, two places, the decimal point will be put two places to the left. So it will be 0.28. So two places to the left decimal point, I have placed the decimal point before 28. So it is 0.28. Now same way, now next I have 79%. So now you are thorough. 79%, 79 by 100, and decimal again two places to the left, it will move two places to the left. So it is 0.79 in decimal. Now 6.5%. Now how do I write 6.5%? 6.5%, how do I write 6.5%? Yes, 6.5 I will write 6.5 by 100. I will not touch the decimal point here. I will write as it is 6.5 by 100, and then I will move two decimal places to the left. So it will be 0.065. This is my decimal of 6.5%. So 6.5%, first I wrote it as a fraction, that is 6.5 by 100. Okay, and then I have written in decimal. How did I write? I shifted, because it is division by 100, shifted the decimal point two places to the left. So I see 6 and 0 and then decimal point. So 0.065. Now another example, 1.24%. So how do I write? I will write 1.24 and I am writing percent. So 100 per 100. So every 100, 1.24 by 100. Now how do I write it as decimal? I have to you can see two zeros in 100. So two places it will shift to the left. What is it? Decimal point. So it is 124. See, already 1 we have. So one more number, then for 0 for whole number, decimal point, and 0 for whole number. So 0.0124. So this is how, this is the relationship between percentage, fraction and decimal. I hope today you are clear with this, and if this video you find useful, you can share it with your friends and like and subscribe. Thank you.